60 seconds with Femi correct pidgin and is 9 we dey do. And yesterday that big question where we dey ask since this week. Now who get London? Finally we don't get answer to that question. Arsenal now then get London for this week and they don't paint the whole sky for London. They don't paint the sky red. But we dey look back that match of the place today. We will start with Chelsea. The people will lose. Wetin happen? Sarri ball. Kilo day. Abi Sarri ball don less. Wetin dey sup with Sarri ball? We want ask. No be the same Sarri ball where people dey ginger for. When season start, when then they go unbeaten, no be the same Sarri ball where people they happy. Wetin dey happen with the Sarri ball? Now we want know. Chelsea fans, some people don't even talk saying that because una never get striker. If una get striker, finally this problem go over. Now we also want know for Arsenal, una get the momentum. Arsenal na then the ginger now. Even for that press conference yesterday after that match, Chelsea coach Sarri, he say Arsenal their players get better mentality, better strong head, passing players. Arsenal fans, how wanna see him? That victory yesterday, now a big one for una.